Hi folks, so today I'm going to be pulling up some horse chestnuts that I kept over the last couple of weeks in here, and I've put this mesh over it just to kind of protect it from frost and everything. We're going to dig them up now today and we're going to see if they've germinated. Here we go. There's one horse chestnut germinated here in the pot. That's going to be a fantastic tree. So we're going to put that over here. I'm going to check all the rest. Now I don't want to damage them with this, so I'm just going to actually use my hands. Loads of these have germinated. This is really fantastic. I wasn't expecting this at all now. And they're all the roots that are coming out of it now, you see. What I'll do with these is I'll individually put these in plant pots. So I'm going to fill it up with compost. One of these, just pop it in there, cover it up. That's all we need to do now. Just keep it in a nice bright sunny area and watch it shoot up. And here we have it, our horse chestnut trees after a few weeks, and they're all up.